Leaked flight data confirms the new DJI Mavic 5 Pro hits an insane top speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Flying at 68 miles per hour blind into a concrete wall should obliterate it. Yet this machine literally sees through solid obstacles before turning. Today we are breaking down the newly leaked flight data for the DJI Mavic 5 Pro and its impossible radar system. This brand new flagship aircraft is changing the entire game by pairing an upgraded forward LiDAR unit, inspired by the Air 3S, with advanced non-line-of-sight laser tracking right on your screen. If you think your current drone is safe, what is hiding around your next blind turn will completely destroy it. If you have ever flown a drone through a tight forest or down a narrow city alleyway, you know the pure panic. You are flying forward at 30 miles per hour, and you have zero clue if a delivery truck is turning into your lane. Traditional obstacle avoidance only warns you when an object is already sitting right in front of your nose. By the time ordinary sensors beep, you usually have less than half a second to react before hitting the wall. The slightly enlarged DJI Mavic 5 Pro completely eliminates this blind spot by bending light waves off ordinary surfaces in the environment. This is the exact moment standard drone sensors become totally obsolete forever. It sounds like pure science fiction, but the secret lies in 2-bounce and 3-bounce photon physics. Let us start with how normal drones look at the world around them during standard flight paths. The Mavic 3 and earlier models used basic visual cameras paired with standard time-of-flight infrared sensors. Those sensors shoot a single beam of light straight ahead, hit a tree branch, and bounce right back. The computer measures how many picoseconds the light takes to return, giving you an exact distance readout. That is simple one-bounce detection, and it only works if you have a direct line of sight. If a brick building blocks your view, standard LiDAR is completely useless and leaves you totally blind. Here is the terrifying physics trick DJI engineered to turn solid concrete into clear glass. The engineering team behind the Mavic 5 Pro took the front-facing LiDAR concept from the Air 3S and supercharged it with photon counting technology. Mounted directly on the slightly wider nose of the Mavic 5 Pro, this expanded front LiDAR module no longer just catches light bouncing directly back. Instead of standard one-way scanning, this front sensor array actively listens for secondary scattered reflections. Imagine throwing a bouncy rubber ball against a smooth hallway wall at a sharp angle. The ball hits the first wall, bounces sideways around the corner, hits a hidden obstacle, and ricochets back. That exact physics principle is what we call 2-bounce LiDAR mapping. The drone shoots millions of invisible laser pulses per second from that front-mounted Air 3S-style LiDAR unit at the asphalt street or a brick corner ahead. Those tiny packets of light hit the ground, scatter in every direction, and wash over hidden objects around the bend. A fraction of those photons bounce off the hidden object, hit the ground a second time, and return to the lens. The slightly larger aircraft body easily accommodates a custom neural processing chip running at over 40 trillion operations per second. This tiny supercomputer sorts through millions of scrambled stray light particles returning to the front LiDAR housing. It calculates the exact delay of every single photon to reconstruct a sharp three-dimensional image of the hidden alley. When you look at your remote controller screen, you do not just see the brick wall in front of you. You see a bright purple outline of a delivery van moving silently behind that exact concrete wall. Think about what this means for high-speed tracking shots in dense downtown areas or dense mountain forests. You can fly flat out down a canyon without fearing a hidden boulder waiting right past the next sharp turn. Standard obstacle sensors are officially obsolete, because this hardware scans completely invisible airspace inside sealed rooms. Just wait until you see the hidden military-grade scanning mode tucked deep inside the diagnostic menus. The internal diagnostic menu reveals a secondary scanning mode called 3-bounce NLOS tracking. NLOS stands for non-line of sight imaging, and it pushes laser mathematics to an unbelievable level. In this mode, the Mavic 5 Pro can map entire hidden rooms before the drone even crosses the doorway threshold. The front LiDAR array fires forward, bounces off the interior door frame, bounces off the back room wall, and hits the target. Then that light traces the exact same crazy path, all the way back to the drone's sensor array. The returning signal is so faint that it registers as just a tiny whisper of scattered quantum energy. DJI solved this signal loss by placing ultra-sensitive single-photon avalanche diodes directly beside the Air 3S style front LiDAR module. These microscopic sensor diodes can detect a single photon of light returning from 3 complex surface bounces. The processor cleans up the visual noise instantly, building a live wireframe map of the hidden space in real time. Imagine search and rescue teams trying to locate trapped hikers buried under collapsed concrete parking garages. Instead of sending rescue dogs into unstable rubble, a pilot hovers the drone safely outside the main entrance. Within 3 seconds, the front LiDAR scans the interior corridors and highlights exact human shapes inside. You get a full 3-dimensional layout of the danger zone without risking a single human life or expensive gear. Running a supercomputer this powerful in mid-air should instantly drain your battery. But DJI pulled off a massive shocker. Now you might be wondering how all of this heavy computing affects the overall flight time of the battery. Laser emitters and high-speed neural chips consume a massive amount of electrical current during continuous flight operations. This onboard supercomputer pulls massive power. Yet leaked specs reveal an astonishing 47-minute flight window. Because the Mavic 5 Pro frame is engineered to be slightly larger, it easily houses an all-new high-density solid-state battery pack rated at 6,000 mAh. This advanced power cell keeps the aircraft airborne for a solid 47 minutes, even with full active scanning turned on. The slightly bigger body frame is constructed out of ultra-lightweight forged carbon fiber to offset the extra front LiDAR hardware weight. It balances the added payload effortlessly, while packing 10 times the onboard processing power to keep these intense processor chips running cool under heavy computational loads. DJI redesigned the internal airflow completely. Cool air enters through aerodynamic intake vents right beneath the front LiDAR array and sweeps across the thermal heat spreaders. This clever design prevents thermal throttling even when you push the laser imaging system to its absolute computational limit. The thermal architecture guarantees steady signal processing, whether you are flying through desert heat or sub-zero mountain air. The drone does not just spot the fatal crash ahead, it takes the controls right out of your hands. The system also integrates seamlessly with the brand new automated pathfinding algorithms inside the controller software. If the front LiDAR spots a speeding car around a blind corner, it does not just sound an annoying warning beep. The flight controller automatically adjusts your banking angle and altitude to dodge the incoming collision smoothly. You feel a gentle nudge on the control sticks as the drone glides safely around the danger zone. Cinematographers can now pull off insane single-take chase scenes through tight urban corridors without crashing their expensive camera rig. You can follow a sports car drifting around a sharp mountain hairpin turn with complete peace of mind. Even more shocking, early rumors suggest the Mavic 5 Pro pushes top speeds up to a blistering 110 km/h, or 68 miles per hour in sport mode. Pairing that extreme 68-mile-per-hour velocity with predictive laser vision makes high-speed action tracking virtually effortless. The drone tracks the vehicle through the mountain rock face before the car even emerges onto the open asphalt. The camera gimbal rotates early, framing the perfect cinematic shot the exact microsecond the vehicle bursts into plain view. No human pilot on Earth has fast enough reflexes to match that level of predictive camera movement. Your flight controls no longer just react to danger, because the drone predicts every crash before it happens. Even if you fly blind directly behind a steel warehouse, this machine refuses to lose its link. The new triple-camera imaging module works in direct coordination with this hidden photon mapping system. The primary main camera houses an expanded 1-inch sensor with mechanical shutter capabilities to eliminate rolling shutter distortion entirely. When the LiDAR brain predicts where a subject will appear around a corner, the camera pre-focuses at that exact distance. The optical system locks its focus plane instantly, delivering tack-sharp video the precise frame a subject breaks into view. Secondary telephoto lenses adjust their zoom factor automatically to maintain dynamic cinematic composition without manual input. This deep integration of optical imaging and spatial laser telemetry creates the smoothest automated tracking in drone history. Even the wireless communication link received a massive hardware upgrade to support the raw data throughput. DJI implemented their next-generation 05 video transmission system to stream the dense LiDAR wireframes back to your screen. Operating on multi-band frequencies, 05 transmits full high-definition video along with a live three-dimensional spatial overlays without noticeable lag. Pilots maintain absolute control over the aircraft at distances reaching well past 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. The ultra-low latency link ensures that real-time predictive hazard warnings pop up on your display without a millisecond of delay. If signal degradation occurs behind thick concrete obstacles, the onboard autonomous system takes full control instantly. The drone relies on its cached multi-bounce spatial maps to reverse along its exact flight path back to clear air. It will never blindly drift away or crash into walls while executing an emergency return-to-home command. This single breakthrough will instantly save industrial giants millions of dollars in catastrophic accident damage. Commercial inspection pilots will find this technology completely indispensable when auditing complex industrial facilities. Scanning intricate steel pipe networks and enclosed petrochemical storage units usually requires dangerous manual scaffolding or rope access. A pilot can now position the Mavic 5 Pro outside complex pipe clusters and generate complete spatial integrity maps. The non-line-of-sight laser array peers through dense structural layers to inspect structural joints hidden from direct visual inspection. Maintenance crews can identify hairline fractures and hazardous corrosion long before structural failure ever becomes a threat. The time and cost savings for energy utilities and construction firms will easily reach millions of dollars annually. It completely changes how high-end Hollywood action movies, industrial inspections, and dynamic commercial videos will be filmed from now on. We are moving away from reactive flying, where you constantly worry about what might jump out from the shadows. With multi-bounce light tracking and that Air 3S-inspired front LiDAR, your drone essentially possesses actual X-ray vision built right into its flight brain. The sky is no longer limited by what your naked human eyes can see in front of the lens. Every single blind corner, hidden alleyway, and obscured doorway becomes completely transparent on your live video feed. This single piece of technology makes old sensor systems look like outdated toys from 20 years ago. The slightly bigger Mavic 5 Pro proves that the future of autonomous flight belongs to machines that master the physics of scattered light. Check out our next video on the screen right now to see the full flight speed tests.